Tariffs. That's a term making headlines lately. But what exactly are tariffs and how do they impact a country's economy, its industries, and its consumers? Well, a tariff is basically a tax that a government puts on goods coming in from other countries. It can be a fixed amount, like charging $100 for every car that's imported, or it can be a percentage of the item's price, say 10% on all imported phones. Either way, it makes the imported product more expensive. Now, there are a few reasons countries use tariffs. First, to protect local industries. If imported goods cost more, people might turn to cheaper locally made options. Second, to raise government revenue. This is especially common in developing countries where tariffs can bring in significant income. And third, as a bargaining chip in trade negotiations. Tariffs are often used to put pressure on other countries or respond to their trade decisions. So, what happens when a tariff is imposed? Well, imagine a country adds a 25% tariff on imported steel. That means any country importing steel now pays 25% more. In most cases, they'll pass that cost on to the next buyer, whether it's a manufacturer or an everyday consumer. The goal is to push people toward locally produced steel, which does not carry the extra tax. Now, tariffs don't necessarily work as they're intended to. Sometimes local industries can't produce enough to meet demand. Other times, the quality just does not match up to what's available from abroad. And when one country imposes tariffs, others often respond, creating a cycle of retaliation. That's how trade wars begin. But domestic producers often gain because their products become more competitive. But consumers usually lose since they end up paying higher prices. Exporters can also be hit hard, especially if other countries put up trade barriers in return. So tariffs might sound like a technical economic tool, but they directly impact what we buy, how much we pay, and how countries interact with each other. They're a policy tool used to shape trade, protect industries, and sometimes make a political point. But they come with trade offs, and those trade offs affect prices, jobs, and how countries deal with each other. For more explainers like this, subscribe to Dawn News English.